Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 2938. Today's date is 22 November 2023. It's almost like a night at 10:54 p.m. All right. So what exactly happened today? So yesterday I started doing editing about the project, and yesterday I was entirely chopping the entire project. I like basically what exactly happened. Okay. So yesterday, like day before yesterday, actually, sorry, day before yesterday, I was like a separate 3 hour of gameplay file into three parts. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Okay. First thing that I have to do is that I just have to remove the gaps. Like when I talk, in between words, there is a gap. Okay. If I remove the gap, the conversation feels a little bit of fast. Okay, so that's why my video feel little bit of fast. It is kind of like really helpful. So what I did is that I just have to remove the gaps, which is really essential. But 1 hour of conversation, if I wanted to remove the gaps in entire timeline, I need to apply almost like 800 to 1000 cuts in 1 hour timeline, which is too much. Okay, usually, like, applying cuts means what exactly is this thing? Like apply cuts, I mean, like if I apply cuts, like if I apply 1000 cuts in one single timeline, that means that entire timeline contain thousands video clips. Okay, so this is kind of like a bit really complicated for the render, and it kind of like it kind of like a bit really pressure on the system and things like that. So that's why I separate the 1 hour file. If I try to do apply cuts in 3 hour of file, 3 hour timeline, obviously my system will crash. So I separate that's why I separate three files, which is kind of like a really good. So yesterday I complete one file. I complete one and a half file, and then yeah, today I started chopping and I done it. All three files are done. After this artifact, I just started doing. Now I started doing understanding. I just started listening that key. What part should I supposed to say? What part should I supposed to stay? And what part should I supposed to remove? My challenge is that key. I have three files. Each files, the total length of file is almost like a 26 to 30 minute. So I have almost like a 1 hour 30 minute entire gameplay after I compress 3 hour of gameplay file. So which is really good, but still I won't be able to upload 1 hour 30 minute length file, which is definitely not gonna happen. I just have to compress that file even more less. Like basically I try to upload less than 10 minute, or if I extend to 15 minute, that's it. If the video goes even beyond 15 minute, I just have to try it as less time consuming. Okay, 15 minute is max. Okay, so my main target is that key. I have three files. I need to compress 30-minute file into 5 minute. Okay, so this is the challenge, and yeah, it could be possible because I do know while production, I do know that key most of the time I repeat some of the things which is not really essential. So yeah, it could be possible. Yeah. But still there is a one question is that when this project will done. Okay, so that's a good question. The project will be done maybe like tomorrow. Okay, or maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow I will complete the file, but I'm not really sure about that कि किस तरह से करना है. And I'm thinking that ना कि शायद ये like basically day after tomorrow. Yeah, this project will be done by day after tomorrow, and day after tomorrow I also publish that video. So today's date is maybe today, like today's date is 22 na. So 23 tomorrow, 24. So at the end of the video, at the end of 24 November, my video will be done. All right. So yeah, it could be possible. So like basically how much time it take for this video? Well, let me tell you one thing. My last video, Akinator video that I uploaded almost like 18, last video that I uploaded 4 days ago. 4 days ago, that means like 18th of November. 24 of November, that means after 6 days. So what exactly, why is this video takes that much time? Well, actually is that कि at 18th of November I should supposed to record my next gameplay. That means this City Skyline video should be supposed to record at 18th of November, at the end till the end of 18th of November, but it didn't re-record because I reset my system वगैरह. Okay, then 19th of November I was trying to play. I play this game. I record the gameplay, but every time I fail. Okay, I took almost like a 3 or 4 attempt, but it failed. Okay, so at 18th of November didn't really record. At 19th of November didn't really record. At 20 November, morning at 20 November I record. So basically from the technicality, I started my project is actually start at 20 November. Okay, so if I count that this project required me to complete 4 days. Okay, so yeah, and these are the problem are always become. Okay, like these are the problem should come, and I just have to figure it out. It's a part of the project. Okay, it's a part of the process. So yes, I'm not really worried about that. By the way, regarding about the channel, yes, my last video, Akinator Sutli Bomb video, is going really viral. 2000 views. So that is really good. Okay, 2000 views, and click through rate and average view duration is also really good. Okay, so and maybe this is all those things happened because of this YouTube Shorts. Okay, because YouTube Short is actually boost my video to the more and more people, and then people like watching video, and then YouTube realized that ki, this video is really good, then it boosts to them even more and more people. So it's really great. Okay, till this time, okay, this video, like I upload this video 4 days 9 hours ago. Till now I got 2000 views, 36 like and 7 comment, and each comment are really good. Okay, as also views and click through rate and average view duration, all three are positive. Positive means like it is like that, like basically the YouTube is actually recommending this video to the more and more people. So it's good, it's great. Okay, till now I have 94 subscriber. Almost like 4 days ago I have 79 subscribers. From 79 to 94 subscriber within 4 days was really incredible. Okay, and most of the subscriber I got from the video, not from the short. Okay, so even better. Okay, yeah, and as also I didn't really push myself that yeah, I just have to upload more and more shorts for my previous project. No, just like I just realized that whatever the video that I have to make, I just have to make kind of like something really not too much hurry, but try to make as good as possible as I can with short, with video. All right, so yeah, I'm guessing that within a 2 day, okay, maybe tomorrow I will cross 100 subscriber. 100 subscribers. So like almost like a 1 hour, 1.5 hour I was actually making video on this channel. Okay, and it took me almost like a year and a half to achieve 100 subscriber. Okay, and if I achieve 100 subscriber and my quality and the engagement of the audience is still good, then I will cross 1,000 subscriber like soon as possible as I can. Okay, but still I just have to maintain my quality, and just that's why. Okay, so yeah, I just think that it's really good. It's a really great. All right, yeah. As also there is a one problem that I'm guessing that I have like the mic Boya M1 mic is not really good, so I just have to buy new mic, and I will definitely buy this mic. Okay, so till this thing everything is good, great. My battery is not really charged well. uh let's talk about the question. Yeah, like today na, in early morning I decided to record artifact episode, but I didn't really record artifact episode. Why? I don't know why. Like I just thought that like I already record artifact episode night during the night. Then why should I supposed to record artifact episode during the day? So little bit of like what should I supposed to say? What should I supposed to say something really different? Nothing really at all, na. So that's why. Whatever. So let's ask some of the questions to myself. Mm, person value. Okay. So question is, how do I maintain personal integrity in all aspects of my life? How do I maintain my personal integrity? Well, this question is really deep. I just have to understand the gravity of the question, and the question that I can understand with the chat GPT, because chat GPT is actually give the answer very okay. So what exactly says, maintaining personal integrity involve staying true to your values and principle. Be self-aware, make decision align with your belief, and prioritize honestly even when facing challenge. Regular reflection can help ensure your action align with your core values. Okay, yeah. Basically, this thing what is exactly my core value? Okay, and my action should supposed to reflect towards my core value. What do you mean by that? Okay, so I'm gonna giving you some sort of example. There are two kind of people. Okay, and there are two kind of people. One is a introvert and extrovert. Okay, introvert and extrovert kind of people, like basically those are not just a core value. Okay, like basically is this thing, like they don't really know what is really introvert and extrovert. Okay, so I'm just gonna, there is a person who, a person didn't really wanted to hang out with a friend a lot. Okay, he usually hang out with minimum friend. Okay, as also he just spend kind of like the friend that he's kind of like something really close. Okay, but most of the time he just stay at home, do his job, that's it. Okay, there is no kind of like a something really, any social interaction with any other, no, nothing really at all. And then there is a B person who is like a very excited. Okay, he just like a going to the party, talk to the people, talk to kind of like something really new people, wagera wagera. He is always be enthusiastic for everything. Okay, so basically there are two people, A people and B people. Okay, so if there is a action, like basically is that like both the people are actually in the same office. Okay, and the office is actually kind of like a going to a trip, like the colleague in the office, they decided to go to the trip in maybe Ladakh or Shimla or whatever it is. Okay, so decided to go to the trip. So the question is that ki, can A people, the introvert people, will go to trip, or B people, like which people can go to the trip? So basically the person B who is really excited for this, he's really extrovert. Okay, so definitely he will go to that trip. Okay, B person is kind of like a something really introvert. He barely even speak to the office colleague, and he doesn't really have any interest to go there. Okay, so he never really went to the trip. So what I'm trying to tell you is that the action that both the people does, like basically A people is not going to the trip, B people went to the trip. So both the people do his action, and the action is actually reflect their core value. Means like that A person is an introvert, so that's why he didn't really went to that trip. B person is extrovert, so he went to the trip. So this is kind of like a something really a core value, and the action is actually reflect to the core value. Get it? So the question is that question question is that ki, how do I maintain the my personal integrity and all aspects of my life? So what is actually the personal integrity? So personal integrity means like that the things that I do, means the action that I do, it's always reflect my core values, always reflect my principles, always reflect my thing. Okay, in entire life. Okay, so what is exactly your core value? Okay, like the question is kind of like something like the question says that how do I maintain personal integrity in all aspect of my life? Personal integrity is kind of like a something really uh, personal, like this is my kind of like a thing. Okay, like you are saying as a like personal integrity or core values or principles, these are kind of like a some sort of like a different word saying only the same, like the meaning is kind of like a something really same, but the way that the question was telling was something really different, like a core value, personal integrity, or whatever it is. Okay, so what is exactly my core values? Do I am extrovert, sorry, am I introvert? Not really that much. uh, am I extrovert? I wanted to be extrovert, but I'm not there yet. I wanted to be, yes, but I'm not there yet. I still am trying to communicate with the people, as also understanding this thing vagara vagara, but still okay, I'm not there yet, but I will be. Okay, I wanted to extrovert. Okay, then there is a thing that K Shant, Sundar, Sushil. So these are kind of like a something really your core value. So Shant, calm, yes. I am a kind of like a something really a very calm person. So yes. Then Shant, Sundar. Sundar means like that. I'm not talking about the beauty and things like that. I'm talking about the your heart. Is your heart is a beautiful? Yes, my heart is literally beautiful, but still ना like basically हर लोगों के हिसाब से प्यार अलग अलग तरह से रिप्रेजेंट किया करता हूँ मैं. What do you mean by that? Like basically ना I do love people in my surrounding वगैरह वगैरह. Okay, but there are in some sort of people, like let me tell you one thing. Okay, so there are two friend. First friend is that the friend that you know, the friend that are from your childhood and still they are, and they are the friend. Okay, and they are in the college, they are in the school, and they are still with you, so those people are you should supposed to be called a friend. And then there is another people, okay, who are office colleague, but I'm actually kind of like a know them, I do work with them vagara vagara. So those office colleague became also my friend. Okay, so there are two friend. Okay, so my behavior is something really different from, like those are people like a friend A and friend B, like a friend that is actual friend and friend is from office colleague. Okay, so those are my friend, yeah, I do love them, but my behavior is kind of like a something really different from friend A and friend B. Why? Let me tell you one thing why. So if I wanted to bitch about my office, that कि my office is suck वगैरह वगैरह, like office colleague ऐसा है चूते उनको कुछ समझ नहीं आता, should I supposed to say this thing to my office colleague friend? No, I won't be able to do that. Why? Because I just have to maintain my professional life. Because दोस्तों के सामने लाइक आप कुछ भी बक देते हो, बट जब आप ऑफिस के आपके दोस्त, ऑफिस के कलीग आपके दोस्त बन जाते हैं, तब यू जस्ट हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि these are not your friend, these are office colleague. How much close you are, but yeah, those are office colleague, okay? And you just have to maintain the professionalism, okay? Because professionalism is a matter. I'm talking about kind of like a something really a private sector, corporate sector. These are the things actually happen because in your career you need those peoples, okay? If you wanted to become something really manager, if you wanted to become something really even more bigger post in your company, okay, this is really essential, okay? लाइक बेसिकली इन प्राइवेट सेक्टर में क्या होता है ना, प्राइवेट सेक्टर में आपकी मेहनत तो जज की जाती है, बट मेहनत के अलावा आपका बिहेवियर कैसा है लोगों के साथ, वो भी जज किया जाता है, हर एक चीज़ जज की जाती है, ओके? ऑब्वियसली अगर मान लेते हैं कि आप अपने काम में बहुत ज़बरदस्त काम करते हो, बट लाइक आपका बिहेवियर ऑफिस कॉलीग लोगों के साथ अच्छा नहीं है, तो इट विल अफेक्ट ऑन योर करियर ग्रोथ, ओके? सो आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट दैट कि ऑफिस के कलीग के लोगों के साथ तुम बात करना ही बंद करो, नो, ओके? बात करो, डेफिनेटली बात करो, ओके? जस्ट हैंग आउट विद देम वगैरह वगैरह, बट try to maintain that कि this is not your friend, this is the office colleague, okay? Like I did some sort of mistake in my life that कि I thought that कि my office colleague is my friend and I just be very frank with those people, but eventually I realized that these are my senior, okay? And I should supposed to do this thing by professionally, but at that time I was so stupid. So yeah, I did that mistake and I recommend that ki as a office colleague is not your friend, is office colleague, and maintain as a professional relationship, not as a kind of like a something like friends, okay? Like professional relationship maybe thoda sa like I don't know how should I explain like what is really the professional relationship and friendship, okay? So I'm gonna explain this thing, okay? क्या होता है ना कि आप दोस्तों के साथ मजाकबाजी कर लेते हो, ओके? लाइक मजाकबाजी यानी लाइक दिस इज़ योर फ्रेंड, तो आप उसको कुछ भी बोल सकते हो, लौड़े मादर चौधा चूत मारिचा, तेरे तेरे गांड में ये, तेरे मुंह में ये, तेरे लाइक वट एवर यू वांटेड टू से दिस थिंग टू योर फ्रेंड, यू कैन से दिस थिंग, ओके? इफ योर ऑफिस कलीग बिकेम योर फ्रेंड, बिकेम समथिंग रियली बेस्ट फ्रेंड, ओके, चलो मान लेते हैं, एंड यू आर ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग लाइक दिस लौड़ा मादर चौधा वगैरह वगैरह, but somehow there is a little bit of boundary between that कि you shouldn't supposed to cross that. एक छोटी सी पतली सी बाउंड्री होती है, क्योंकि आपका उसका रिलेशनशिप फ्रेंड के आगे एक प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में भी आता है, आप उसके साथ काम भी करते हो, ओके? लाइक आप दोस्त को गाली दे के 2 दिन वो गुस्सा रहेगा, फिर 2 दिन के बाद आप उसको मना भी लोगे, वो मान भी जाएगा, ओके? उससे आपका कुछ भी बिगड़ नहीं पाएगा। लेकिन अगर ऑफिस कलीग के साथ ऐसा कुछ होता है, लाइक इफ़ यू से समथिंग रियली थिंग दैट यू शुडंट सपोज टू से, फिर वो ऑफिस में भी वो रिफ्लेक्ट होगा, क्योंकि हल्का सा वो उसके अंदर एक ईगो आ जाता है, फिर आपके अंदर भी लाइक इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली दैट अंडरस्टैंडेबल, ओके? और आप माफ़ी भी नहीं मांग सकते, क्योंकि लाइक इफ़ यू डू काइंड ऑफ लाइक सम सॉर्ट ऑफ माफ़ी, तो आप उसके सामने कम दिखोगे, ओके? तो लाइक दिस इज़ द थिंग डूड, ओके? ये कुछ इस तरह से होता है, ओके? फिर ऑफिस में प्रोफेशनलिज्म भी मेंटेन करना पड़ता है, सम हाउ दैट पर्सन इज़ अ सीनियर, सम हाउ यू आर द सीनियर, तो फिर मैं सीनियर तो मैं क्यों माफ़ी मांगूँ वगैरह वगैरह, तो इट्स लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैपन, ओके? सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, ओके? ऑफिस कलीग होते हैं, एंड ट्राई टू मेंटेन द सेम रिलेशनशिप विद दैम, okay? So what I was trying to tell you is that ki sundar, like my kind of like a core value is a sundar, like am I be sundar to all those people? Yeah, trying to be, like basically I'm actually showing my kind of like something really positive side towards all those people, okay? मैं अपनी अंदर की जो निगेटिव साइड्स है ना, वो मैं सिर्फ खुद को दिखाता हूँ इन आर्टिफैक्ट एपिसोड, एंड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ शुड आई सपोज टू लेस show negative thing, or try not to show my negativity to people. Okay, so usually I try to show them kind of like a something really good photo, good image towards the people. But still I think that it's not good, because let me tell you one thing now. My uh, I don't know. Okay, I'm not trying to be kind of like a something really negative all to all those people. I'm just trying to be positive. I'm just trying to spread the positivity वगैरह वगैरह. ओके, इवन समटाइम्स इट डिडंट रियली, समटाइम्स ना कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाता है कि यू वोंट बी डू एनीथिंग एट ऑल, सो एट दैट टाइम आई जस्ट बी अ काम. एंड देयर इज़ अ वन थिंग आई नो दैट कि मुझे पता है कि शांत कब रहना है. एंड आई थिंक दैट कि लाइक आई नो वेयर शुड आई सपोज टू शट अप. सो it's kind of like a something really good thing. Okay, and then there is a last core value is that Sushil means like that the behavior regarding to the people, as also Sundar is also, but Sushil is also kind of like something really behavior, like basically is that na Shant, Sundar, Sushil is kind of like something really a value, core value that is this core value kind of like that. Okay, might be, I'm not really sure. Okay, is this kind of like something really core value or not? But yeah, I just want, like, these are the things that actually reflect from my personality, might be. Okay, maybe, I don't really know. Like basically the person that I already explained about in this artifact episode, that introvert extrovert, that person is an introvert, he doesn't really know he was introvert. Okay, or like he think that he was extrovert, but unintentionally he is not. Okay, why? बिकॉज एज अ पर्सन, ओके, ही थिंक्स दैट लाइक हर कोई इंसान सोचता है कि वो दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा इंसान है वगैरह वगैरह, ऑल दोज थिंग्स. ओके, बट फ्रॉम काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग रियली थर्ड पर्सन perspective, realize that ki the person who is actually thinking that ki he is kind of like a something really big, but in reality he was not. Okay, so this is the kind of like a thing. Okay, हमें खुद को नहीं पता कि what is actually my personal values, what is actually my personal integrity वगैरह वगैरह. Okay, but our action is actually reflect towards that. Okay, और ये चीज़ है ना खुद को समझ में नहीं आती, अदर लोग यानी दूसरे लोग समझ पाते हैं. So I'm gonna try to explain one person in my life, Badal Atte. So what is exactly his core values? I think core value, like first of all, this person is kind of like a something really filled with negativity. Okay, he is not negativity actually, is that ki basically he is kind of like a little bit of judgy. Okay, and he is not like, let me tell you one thing ना, वो हर लोगों को प्यार करता है, like he like me, he like most of the people. Okay, बट वो उसको प्यार करने का जो जरिया है, द वे दैट ही वांटेड टू शो हिज love was kind of like something really different. What do you mean by that? Like basically he asks question a lot, he just judge a lot, he just think a lot, he just like basically ना क्या होता है ना कि like basically just that there is a kind of like a, in our kind of like another friend Sushil, one man. Okay, so there is a problem happen between he and his wife. Okay, kind of like a something really personal. Okay, so this is kind of like a something really personal ना, एक शादीशुदा एक पति पत्नी में झगड़ा हो रहा है. ओके, तो शुड यू बी इन्वॉल्व इन दिस थिंग? लाइक मैं ऐसा सोचता हूँ ना, लाइक दिस इज माई थॉट प्रोसेस दैट कि अगर किसी लाइक पति पत्नी में झगड़ा हो रहा है तो आई शुडंट सपोज टू इन्वॉल्व इन दैट थिंग. Okay, even if that person is my best friend, but still I shouldn't supposed to get involved in this thing, because this is not okay. ये अच्छी बात नहीं है dude, क्योंकि लाइक जब पति पत्नी झगड़ा करते हैं तो दे हैव मेनी रीजन टू फाइट विद दैट. ओके, और वो फिक्स भी हो जाता है, बट उन दोनों के बीच में आप इन्वॉल्व करके फिर इट लाइक आई डिडंट रियली सूट. लाइक मुझे लगता है ना कि आई शुडंट सपोज टू इन्वॉल्व इन दैट थिंग. बट बादल एक ऐसा बंदा है, ओके, वो डेफिनेटली इन्वॉल्व होना चाहता है, वो जानना चाहता है कि व्हाट इज एटली द रॉन्ग, व्हाट इज एटली द हैपेंड, व्हाट इज एटली व्हाट डिड यू डू, व्हाट डिड यू दैट, व्हाट डिड शी डिड वगैरह वगैरह. फिर ही ऑल्सो गिव द ओपिनियन. I didn't really think that I should supposed to talk about that. Okay, but he does. Okay, so I'm actually telling his action. Okay. Also, another thing is that a couple of days ago, one of our friend is getting married. Okay, already get married. Okay, Vicky Bhau. Okay, so everyone decided, like Vishal, he decided that we wanted to give uh luggage bag, kind of like a something really a gift. Okay, which is also good because as a luggage bag is kind of like a maintained in our budget. Okay, 6,000, 6,500 is maintained budget, so it is good. Okay, and as also it's really essential. Everyone is agree, but Badal did not agree. Badal says that the luggage bag is kind of like a something really not that essential. Okay, like unless we are using luggage bag once in a year, but then after that, um, we should supposed to buy a thing which is kind of like a something really essential. I so he buys something really like a tart watya plates and things like that. That I just doesn't feel really right. Like basically na, like I don't know, yaar. The judgment that the things that he did, like basically why does everyone people is not actually involved in this thing? बिकॉज हर कोई इंसान सोच लेता है हाँ चलो दोस्त की शादी है कुछ ना कुछ गिफ्ट देना है. ओके, तो व्हाट शुड वी सपोज टू गिव, और तो किसी इंसान ने सोच लिया कि चलो एक luggage bag दे देते, तो दैट इज ओके. या why we are not kind of like interact with this, why we didn't really show our opinion regarding नहीं नहीं यार luggage bag नहीं, ये नहीं, हम दूसरा लेते हैं. Why we didn't really show our opinion towards Vishal? बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वी डोंट रियली केयर. कुछ ना कुछ तो गिफ्ट देना है, लगेज बैग दे दिया, खत्म कहानी विषय. ओके, दैट्स इट, अग्री, पैसे भेज दिया, खत्म. वाई बादल इज नॉट अग्रीड विद दैट थिंग? बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि वो उसका नेचर है. वो नहीं क्या चीज़ों को कैसे करता है कि ही वॉज एक्चुअली एनालाइज दिस थिंग कि ये क्यों है. ओके, इवन इफ लाइक आई डोंट नो, ही जस्ट थिंक अबाउट समथिंग रियली डिफरेंट. ओके, वो सोचता है कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ही जस्ट डिसएग्री. ओके, वो पहले डिसएग्री कर लेता है कि नहीं हम ये नहीं लेते, हम समथिंग ले दूसरा कुछ ले लेते हैं. ओके, एंड ही डज डू ऑल द टाइम. ओके, लाइक बेसिकली नॉट इन द लगेज बट ऑल्सो ना, जब भी हम ट्रिप में जाते हैं ना, like basically a year ago we actually decided to go there most of the time, 2-3 times, multiple times. He was not actually want to come to that trip. Okay, उसका पहला इंटरेक्शन यही था कि मैं ट्रिप में नहीं आ रहा हूँ, नहीं आ रहा हूँ, नहीं आ रहा हूँ. ओके, उसको मनाना पड़ता था. ओके, वाई ही वोंट रियली कम? बिकॉज ही डिडंट रियली हैव मनी फॉर. ऐसा कहता है कि नहीं मेरे पास पैसा नहीं, मैं नहीं आऊँगा वगैरह. वो हमेशा ऐसा करता है. सो what is exactly his core values? उसकी core values क्या है? First of all, he judge a lot. Okay, so is he judgy? I don't really think that. Like I don't know, yaar. Like basically, na, sometimes na we don't really have kind of like a one specific word to say that this is something really his core value वगैरह वगैरह. Yeah, he has a hard work. Okay, hard work कौन नहीं करता, सब करते hard work वगैरह वगैरह. But let me tell you one thing ना, little bit negativity है उसमें, थोड़ा सा तो है. ओके, वो थोड़ा सा तो निगेटिविटी है. वो लाइक या ही हैज थोड़ा सा है, थोड़ा सा नहीं है, उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा निगेटिविटी. ही जस्ट टॉक समथिंग रियली नो. मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम हिज कन्वर्सेशन काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली नो 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 नो. ओके, as also he's bitterly judgy, not judgy kind of like that कि हाँ इसने judge किया. like usually there are two kind of like a people, there are two kind of like a people who are judgy. first of all, एक ऐसे पर्सन होता है वो जज करते हैं, और जज करने के बाद एक्शन को इंटरैक्ट करते हैं. लाइक बेसिकली इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली. एंड देन देयर इज अनदर पीपल हु जज. ओके, सो व्हाट इज एक्चुअली डिफरेंट? ओके, सो मान लेते हैं कि एक लाइक बेसिकली मैं किसी इंसान को लाइक हाउ शुड आई सपोज टू जज. ओके, चलो मान लेते हैं कि मैं एक रेस्टोरेंट में गया. ओके, वहाँ पे लाइक देयर आर कपल ऑफ पीपल आर एक्चुअली सिटिंग. ओके, दोज पीपल आर एक्चुअली like from their outfit, from their like a look, I just feel like that ki I shouldn't supposed to sit surrounding to those people. Why? Because like those are people are actually wearing skinny jeans, their hair color is kind of like something a little bit not so good. Okay, I feel that like उनके behavior से मुझे feel हो रहा है, so I judge them. Okay, and I realize that कि I shouldn't supposed to sit in between those people वगैरह वगैरह, so I just sit somewhere else. Okay, so I judge it and I just try to kind of like a अवे फ्रॉम माई सेल्फ. ओके, सो ये होता है लिटिल बिट ऑफ जज करना. ओके, उसमें आप इंटरैक्ट नहीं कर रहे हो, आप खुद डिसाइड कर रहे हो और खुद के एक्शन से उन 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 उनके सामने थोड़ा सा दूर रख रहे हो. ओके, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड कैंसल लिटिल बिट जज. ओके, सो अगर बादल वहाँ पे होता तो व्हाट डज ही डू? ओके, ही विल नॉट जज. ओके, एट दैट टाइम ना ही विल जज. ओके, ही विल जज, बट समटाइम ना ही जस्ट थिंक्स दैट कि नहीं चलो कुछ नहीं होता वगैरह वगैरह, मान लेते वो. आई डोंट नो व्हाट विल ही सपोज टू डू एट दैट टाइम. विल ही लाइक ही ऑल्सो सिट समवेयर एल्स टू. ओके, क्योंकि यूजुअली हम या ओके 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 या हाँ यस ओके, नाउ आई गेट इट. ओके, हाउ ही जज. ओके, सो यूजुअली हम दोस्तों को जज नहीं करते. ओके, ही इज़ माई फ्रेंड. ओके, ये मेरा दोस्त है, तो दोस्तों को हम जज नहीं करते. वो जैसा भी है, वट एवर ही डज. ओके, कुछ चीज़ें हमें अच्छी नहीं लगती तो वी स्टिल एक्सेप्ट दैट थिंग बिकॉज ही इज़ माई फ्रेंड. ओके ओके, या बादल करता है. ओके, और बादल जज इसलिए करता है ताकि ही वॉन्ट्स टू गेट फन ऑफ इट. ओके, उसको बस मज़ा चाहिए. लाइक बेसिकली ही जस्ट वांटेड टू टीज, कुछ भी बड़बड़ कर देता है वगैरह वगैरह. लाइक द थिंग्स दैट ही से की कशी बी साला तुझी बायको नाही आली वगैरह, तुला कळत नाही का, असं तसं वगैरह वगैरह. अभी ही एज अ वन मैन को भी कुछ ना कुछ इशू है रिगार्डिंग अबाउट हिज वाइफ एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. ही इज़ एक्चुअली फिगरिंग आउट, बट इसके बारे में बात करना दोस्तों के सामने जस्ट नॉट रियली कूल. आई डोंट नो डूड यार. ओके, let me tell you one thing. Okay, I'm just talking about just a personal values ना. I'm just not trying to be kind of like a thing that कि ये ऐसा है वो ऐसा है. No, nothing really. I just wanted to explore because let me tell you one thing ना. Every people is kind of like a something really different. Okay, and as also our life is actually get with all those people and understanding those people. and ये important भी है यार. हर लोग किसी सेम चीज़ से या सेम थॉट प्रोसेस से अगर सोचने की कोशिश करेंगे तो वी विल नॉट डेवलप. इट इज़ रियली एसेंशियल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हम लोग अलग अलग है और इसलिए हम अलग अलग होके अलग अलग एस्पेक्ट रेशो से एक चीज़ को जज करते हैं और अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं, उससे हम ग्रो होते हैं. आई डोंट रियली गेट इट. ओके, लाइक चलो मान लेते हैं लाइक देयर आर काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली 1,000 पीपल लाइक यू, एग्जैक्टली लाइक यू. एग्जैक्टली यानी बेसिकली बिल्कुल तेरे जैसे बिल्कुल 1,000 लोग हैं. ओके, सो एंड देयर आर काइंड ऑफ लाइक 1,000 पीपल हु इज़ एक्चुअली डिफरेंट थॉट प्रोसेस. ओके, सो उनको ग्रो करना है मीन्स लाइक दैट कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली. सो वी हैव काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली टाइम स्पैन फॉर ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 1,000 ईयर्स. ओके, यानी करीब 1,000 लोग हैं और सॉरी 1,000 लाइक 100 साल का हमारे पास टाइम स्लैप है. ओके, टाइम लैप्स है. ओके, सो एक सिमिलर माइंडसेट वाले लोग ज़्यादा ग्रो नहीं कर पाते. एट सम सर्टन पॉइंट दे विल ग्रो बट दे विल काइंड ऑफ लाइक जस्ट एट सम सर्टन पॉइंट इट्स स्टैग्नेंट. बट जो अलग अलग सोच वाले विचार वाले होते हैं उनकी बिगिनिंग काफ़ी लेट होगी. ओके, लाइक एट द बिगिनिंग दे विल एक्चुअली लाइक इसकी सोच अलग है, इसकी सोच अलग है, इसकी सोच अलग है. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम दे आर फाइटिंग टू ईच अदर. ओके, बट देन आफ्टर दैट दे रियलाइज दिस थिंग कि हमारी सोच अलग अलग होती है, तो इसके साथ दे विल एक्चुअली ग्रो इवन मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर. आई डोंट रियली गेट इट. ओके, आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट दिस थिंग काइंड ऑफ लाइक एक्सप्लेन विद द रियलिटी फैक्ट. ओके, सो इन ह्यूमन एवोल्यूशन, ओके, करीब जब से ह्यूमन इवोल्यूशन हुआ है तब से हम दूसरे इंसान को जज करते हैं, उनके साथ फाइट करते हैं वगैरह वगैरह. ओके, पुराने ज़माने में भी होता था. ओके, नए ज़माने में भी कम होता है. पहले तो युद्ध हमेशा ही चलता रहता था, एवरी टाइम. ओके, और बेसिकली किसी लाइक पहले ऐसे सोच होती थी ना राजा महाराजाओं की कि अगर हमें अपने राज्य को बड़ा करना है या राज्य को लाइक बेसिकली इफ़ यू वांटेड टू ग्रो, तो हमें लड़ाई करनी पड़ेगी, युद्ध करने पड़ेंगे, दिस एंड दैट एंड दैट एंड दैट एंड दैट दैट दैट। ओके, फिर इससे वर्ल्ड वॉर 1 हुआ, वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 हुआ, फिर ऑल दोज थिंग्स द मिस्टेक दैट वी डिड, उसके बाद रियलाइज हुआ एंड व्हाई डज वी काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ फाइट, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि हमारी थॉट प्रोसेस अलग अलग थे। ओके, हमारी सोच, विचार, भाषाएं, एथनिसिटी, एवरीथिंग इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली डिफरेंट। सो दैट्स वाई हम किसी एक चीज़ पे सहमत हो ही नहीं पाते थे। सो दैट्स वाई वी एक्चुअली फाइट for kind of like something really thousands of thousands year. But after the World War II, we realized that we are the different people, okay, and we will not agree with one thing, but there is a one thing that we can agree is that कि हम एक human है और we are actually sharing this planet. So instead of fighting, just start living, okay, and understand that ki each person is different and we just have to respect their nationality, ethnicity, everything. So uske baad, after the World War II, human is actually grow regarding about the technology, everything. Okay. So basically अगर एक अफ्रीकन पर्सन आ जाता है तो हाँ वो दिखता अलग है, भाषा अलग है, वगैरह वगैरह, बट स्टिल समहाउ वी रियलाइज दैट कि इट इज़ ऑल्सो रियली एसेंशियल टू हैविंग अ डिफरेंट डिफरेंट माइंड सेट। सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू ना कि अलग अलग लोग एक तरह से ज़्यादा ग्रो करते हैं, बट सिमिलर माइंड सेट, हाँ वो एक तरह से युद्ध नहीं करेंगे, बट एक्चुअली क्योंकि उनका माइंड सेट अलग है, सॉरी माइंड सेट सेम है, तो वो एक तरह से फाइट नहीं करेंगे, बट they will not grow that much क्योंकि they didn't really know the other side of the other thoughts। क्योंकि like basically युद्ध करने से क्या होता है ये उनको तभी पता चलेगा जब वो युद्ध करेंगे, और युद्ध तभी करेंगे जब उनके सोच अलग अलग होंगी। ओके, सो yeah, this is all those things like sometimes inventions comes from the negativity things too। Okay, so this is also really essential, so having those different people is also really essential। So yeah, but still these are kind of like something really different, integrity, personal different integrities, and kind of like something really different from different people। So yeah, okay, I was actually explaining this question for entire 45 minutes, okay, and I didn't really answer this question, by the way। The question was that कि how do I maintain my personal integrity? uh actually we are kind of like that कि हमारी पर्सनल इंटेग्रिटी है ना, हमें मेंटेन करने की ज़रूरत होती नहीं है। ओके, वो एक तरह से नहीं, क्या वो हमारे एक्शन से रिफ्लेक्ट होती है। एंड बेसिकली इज दैट ना कि लाइक दीज आर काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली कोर वैल्यूज। ओके, वो हम उसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते। एक इंट्रोवर्ट इंसान एक एक्सट्रोवर्ट इंसान बन पाता है, हाँ बन पाता है, एक एक्सट्रोवर्ट इंसान लाइक बन पाता है। आई जस्ट वांटेड टू बी फ्रॉम इंट्रोवर्ट टू एक्सट्रोवर्ट। ओके, सो माई पर्सनल इंटेग्रिटी और प्रिंसिपल विल बी चेंज, हाँ चेंज होते हैं, हम उसको काइंड ऑफ लाइक मेंटेन नहीं कर सकते यार डूड। ओके, या सम पीपल वांटेड टू डू मेंटेन, बट कुछ कुछ लोग होते हैं लाइक मी, आई वांटेड टू बिकम समथिंग रियली डिफरेंट पर्सन इन माई लाइफ। ओके, तो उसके लिए मुझे मेरी पर्सनल वैल्यू को चेंज करना पड़ेगा। ओके, इंट्रोवर्ट से एक्सट्रोवर्ट होना पड़ेगा। आई जस्ट हैव टू बी समथिंग रियली डिफरेंट, तभी मैं जाके कुछ ना कुछ कर पाऊंगा डूड। ओके, like basically almost like a of kind of like a before the covid, means almost like a 3-4 year ago, I was not actually thinking that कि मैं शायद यूट्यूब चैनल ओपन करके भी ऐसे गेमिंग के वीडियो बना भी पाऊंगा वगैरह वगैरह। आई डेंट रियली थिंक अबाउट दैट, बट राइट नाउ मेकिंग इट दैट। क्योंकि लाइफ में क्या होता है ना कि पर्सनल वैल्यू, इंटेग्रिटी एंड देन प्रिंसिपल्स एंड कोर वैल्यू, ऑल दोज थिंग्स आर या ओके, बट स्टिल ना आपके पास एक पेट है, उसको 2 टाइम को खाना चाहिए। ओके, आपकी एक लाइफ है, लाइफ में रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी होती है, हर एक चीज़ को मेंटेन करना पड़ता है, बैलेंस करना पड़ता है। ओके, हम ऐसे नहीं है डूड। ओके, लाइक बेसिकली 100 years ago वी डोंट रियली हैव एनीथिंग टू शो, एनीथिंग, नथिंग रियली एट ऑल। 100 years पहले ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था, और करीब 50 साल पहले या 20 साल पहले भी, बट अभी है। ओके, क्योंकि अभी हमें लाइफ में पैसा भी कमाना है, शादी भी करनी है, बच्चे भी पैदा करना है, ओके। सो उसके लिए चाहिए पैसा, और पैसा भी कमाना है, और इस चीज़ में हम पर्सनल वैल्यू को नहीं बचा सकते यार। लाइक बेसिकली इज दैट ना, एक इंट्रोवर्ट इंसान है, अगर उसको यूट्यूब खोलना चाहिए, क्या एक इंट्रोवर्ट इंसान को यूट्यूब खोलना चाहिए? लाइक बेसिकली फ्रॉम हिज पॉइंट ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव नो, बिकॉज ही इज इंट्रोवर्ट पर्सन। बट नहीं यार, अगर उसको लाइफ में कुछ आगे बढ़ना है तो ही हैज़ टू चेंज हिज पर्सनालिटी फ्रॉम इंट्रोवर्ट टू एक्सट्रोवर्ट, ओके। और वो धीरे धीरे होता है, ये ऐसा ट्रांजिशन एकदम फटाक से नहीं होता है। So this is kind of like a something really personal integrity from my thought process, okay, and we shouldn't supposed to maintain that thing, okay, क्योंकि हाँ, एक तरह से हम सिचुएशन के हिसाब से हमें चेंज भी होना चाहिए, ओके। एंड आई डोंट नो यार, लाइक पर्सनल कोर वैल्यूज़, हमारी मेरी ये पर्सनल कोर वैल्यूज़ है। मैं लाइक आई एम काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग रियली एक्सट्रोवर्ट पर्सन, तो मैं मेरे में बहुत अहंकार है, लाइक नो इट नथिंग रियली एट ऑल ना, कुछ कुछ चीज़ें हो ना, वी डू अंडरस्टैंड दोस थिंग्स, ओके। तो ये पर्सनल वैल्यूज़ एंड वगैरह, आई डोंट नो, ओके, लाइक आई थिंक दैट कि मे बी आई डोंट रियली अंडरस्टैंड दिस क्वेश्चन, और मे बी लाइक आई एम नॉट रियली एक्सपर्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज एक्चुअली द कोर वैल्यू एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट। आई थिंक दैट कि हम लाइफ में जिस तरह से डिसीजन लेते हैं, वी टुक द डिसीजन, वी टुक द एक्शन रिगार्डिंग द व्हाट इज एक्चुअली बेस्ट इन दैट मोमेंट, ओके। क्योंकि हमें उस मोमेंट में चीज़ें बेटर करने के लिए हमें कुछ कुछ डिसीजन लेते हैं, समटाइम इट्स गुड, समटाइम इट्स नॉट गुड। कभी कभी चीज़ें अच्छी हो जाती है तो दैट इज़ ओके, कभी भी अच्छी बुरी हो जाती है तो वी लर्न फ्रॉम दैट मिस्टेक एंड जस्ट ट्राई नॉट टू डू दैट थिंग अगेन। सो या, सो उसमें पर्सनल इंटेग्रिटी वगैरह वगैरह आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर, एंड मेंटेनिंग करना, I think that कि I am not kind of like something really expert person to talk about this thing, okay, क्योंकि एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा डीप थॉट्स आ जाता है यार दूर हर एक चीज़ के बारे में। सो आई थिंक आई एम नॉट। So this then till this 47 minute I just talk about only one question. So yeah, but the question is also really essential to talk. Alright, yeah. So this, thank you.